Now to realign your syringe well assembly, if the syringe is not going in, remember the syringe well, it actually comes in three pieces. There's the top piece, the bottom piece, and then there's an inside piece that twists when you put the syringe in and rotate it 90 degrees. And what can happen is sometimes when the operators are doing things, or if you're in there doing your PM, things, you're messing around with the syringe well here, the middle section can actually get rotated. So now what happens is, you'll see right here, this middle section is supposed to be rotated all the way over like that. And if it gets off, if it gets twisted out of position a little bit like this, then what happens is when they go to put the syringe in, it won't go all the way in because the middle piece is twisted out of alignment. So to realign the syringe, and this is true for both syringe wells, just push that middle piece back in position so that they can fully seat the syringe.